Basang-basa ba? Pogi ako. Okay lang. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Sa video na to, mag-unbox tayo. Saka first impressions na rin ng bago nating laptop. Asus Zephyrus G14. So, check natin. So, itong laptop na to, medyo sikat na siya. Kasi thin and light, pero gaming laptop siya. No? Unboxing tayo pero wala tayong kutsilyo. Wait lang. Thin and light siya, pero powerful yung specs. Mamaya tignan rin yung specs. Meron tayong ito mismo yung box ng pinaka-laptop natin. Asus. Ganda. Tabi muna natin yan. And then, kasama sa box, meron tayong laptop bag. So yan, very compact as well. For those who dare, Republic of Gamers. So yun yung ROG. Yeah. Okay, so very slim lang siya. Kasi yung backpack mo. Then may zipper siya dito. I think for your, this is for your, siguro mag-English mo. This is for your accessories and charger. So on the box itself, so ito yan. Yung item na rin ang box ngayon guys. So pag in-open mo, iangat niyo yung laptop. So we have ROG, Republic of Gamers, and then we have the laptop itself. Sabihin muna natin yung laptop. Check muna natin yung mga accessories na kasama sa box. Yung mga manuals natin. The warranty card, manual, Asus. I believe may kasama tong power mix eh. So we have yung power brick. So this is a 180 watts power brick. Medyo malaki siya. Pero hindi naman ganun kabigat. Dalawang power cord. So tatanong nyo bakit may dalawa tayong power cord. Meron tayo, ayan. So ito yung AC adapter natin na USB Type-C. Ito naman, rated siya for 100 watts. So, kung hindi kayo nag-gaming, nasa labas kayo. So, kung hindi kayo mag-gaming, nasa labas kayo, let's say, sa coffee shop, mag-internet lang kayo, ganun. So, pwede ito lang yung So, itong USB cable, this is for our webcam. Kasi yung laptop natin is wala siyang built-in webcam. So, ayan, may manual for the webcam and the external webcam. So, this webcam is capable siya for 1080p recording at 60 frames per second. Okay din siya. At least you get a much higher quality na webcam, you know? Ganda ng, parang baka, tapos matte finish na coating. Gaming mouse. This is not for sale. They call it ROG Strix Impact Gaming Mouse. So, ayan, may kasama na rin siya sa bundle. Of course, pag nag-gaming ka, mahirap naman mag-gaming, di ba? Pag naka-touchpad. So, ayan. That's all we have for yung content ng box natin. So, we have the laptop, dalawang power brick, isang 180 watts, and then isang 100 watts Type-C. And then, dalawang power cord, external webcam from Asus ROG din. And then yung ROG Strix Impact Gaming Mouse natin. This laptop is actually a very powerful laptop for its size na 14-inch. This one is rocking a 9th gen 5900HX CPU from AMD. So 8-core, 16-thread siya. In terms of GPU naman, meron siyang NVIDIA 3060. So looking at the external ng laptop, so this comes in a gunmetal black, gray. Actually gray yung color niya, I forget the name. Pero parang black na rin siya. So we have yung AMD Ryzen. Sa sides, we have yung power cord niya dito, HDMI. This one is Type-C and it supports yung 100 watt charging natin. And then we have the combo jack for our headphone and audio. On the right side, meron tayong dalawang USB Type-A and then one USB Type-C. We have the rear exhaust then. So this one is facing the screen. So the reason for that, kasi when you open yung laptop natin, actually yung bottom side ng screen will function as a stand and i-elevate yung laptop for more airflow sa baba. So it will also help cooling system ng laptop natin. So mag-exhaust siya sa screen na. So very light. This is 1.7 kilograms. Kaya mo siyang bitbitin. The finish itself, very sturdy. This is, I think magnesium alloy siya. So lightweight at very sturdy siya. So kita natin dun sa opa. We also have a fingerprint scanner. Dual function siya as a power button natin. Ito yun. So meron siyang intro animation for ROG. And then also yung speakers pala. So we have two above facing speakers right here. And then meron din siya sa baba. Ayan, bottom firing speaker for the bass. So this is the max brightness. And the screen itself is 1440p. So WQHD siya. And it's rated for 100% sRGB. And ang maganda dito, yung DCI-P3, ano niya, rated din siya for 100% color coverage, no? So, very good siya for yung mga video editing, photo editing, di ba? Very color accurate yung screen natin. And also, 120 Hz panel na rin siya. So, not yung usual na 60 Hz. So, for gaming, medyo competitive na rin siya on that. Okay, so screen-wise, ang ganda talaga ng colors niya. It's not super bright, especially nasa labas tayo ngayon, no? Pero very clear naman siya kahit for sunlight or outdoor viewing. Pero na-impress talaga ako dun sa audio niya. Kakaiba yung audio. Parang feel mo yung bass. Malakas siya. And may clear pa rin yun dun sa mid-tones niya. So, compared dun sa mga regular laptop na parang pag nilakasan mo medyo basag na yung pero wala ng bass. Ito, ang above average dun sa mga gaming laptop. Really impressed ako dun sa audio. Sobrang ganda talaga niya. I think mag-enjoy kayo kung gagamitin niya siya for movie or kahit listening to music, mag-enjoy kayo. You'll notice wala tayong webcam dun sa screen natin. That's the reason nagpo-provide sila ng external, no? Dun sa region natin sa Philippines for external webcam. In terms of sa ganung setup, of course, iba pa rin yung built-in, no? Pero pag inisip mo how much time do you spend on a webcam, di ba, in a day? Privacy-wise, secured ka na wala talaga so hindi ka na mag-ano doon. Usually yung mga webcam na kasama, yung mga built-in sa laptop natin, pangit talaga ng quality ng mga yan kasi ang liit ng sensor, di ba? Ang liit na lang ng space na paglalagay nila. In terms of sa keyboard naman, this laptop has white backlit keyboard. Hindi siya RGB. And then you have 3 levels of brightness. Full siya, so pag nagta-type face na madilim. And then we also have yung keyboard naman natin, is chiclet type. Maganda yung travel niya. Hindi siya super mushy. Although, sa previous kasi, ng laptop ko, 15-inch yun so medyo malaki siya. Ito, medyo maliit. Medyo nahirap. Hindi pa sanay yung kamay ko. Pero eventually, masasanay din yan. So far, impressions ko, masarap naman siyang i-type na. And then, meron din siyang shortcuts for media. Volume down, volume up. Meron siyang mic mute if you want to mute your mic. Very useful to pag nag-zoom kayo. And then, we have yung ROG software natin. So, yung ROG software, this is where you can control yung mga fan speed, profile dun sa lighting. And this is also where you control yung ang pinaka-importanting feature ng laptop na to, guys, is the anime matrix dun sa likod. Merong mga holes dun sa likod ng laptop sa cover ng screen. And each hole, meron siyang katumbas na LED light. And then, merong feature sa software na kanyang i-control yung ano lumalabas dito. So, yung mga memes, pangalan mo, etc. Super mag-i-improve yung performance nyo sa gaming pag ginamit nyo to. Or kahit nag-work kayo, sobrang productive nyo. Nabuboost yung ano natin. Yung whatever you're doing dun sa laptop, pinaboost niya. Yun yung pinaka-importanting feed. Sa keyboard natin, we also have a touchpad. Yung touchpad is quite small. Again, siguro for its size, sakto lang din siya. And maganda naman yung feel, no? So, glass siya. So, very smooth and very accurate. And then, yung click mechanics, not so loud din naman. And very satisfying to click, you know. Gaming performance, siguro sa next video natin yun after we install yung mga games natin. I'll make a separate video for that. What else? Hindi pa natin pakita here. So, on the bottom, we have yung 2 intakes for our fan. Speaking of other specs na kung bakit ito yung pinili ko. So, this one kasi is the parang top tier na dun sa model na yun. So, 2021 version. So, this comes with 3060, 32 gigs of memory or RAM. So, that's the max you can get this model. No? So, 16 plus 16 siya. So, dual channel. Yung lower version kasi niya, 16 gigabyte. So, that's 8 soldered na. 8 lang yung pwede mong i-change. So, pag yung model niya 24 yung max na makukuha natin. So at least dito, don't need to upgrade na Okay na tayo dun sa 32 gig. If you'll notice, 1.7 kilograms, magaan, compact. For the specs, meron siyang 8-core 16 threads na CPU, yung Ryzen 9 natin, 5900X. And then, in terms of battery niya, sulit din yung battery. I'll just show na lang sa ibang video, pero 76 watt, mas malaki pa nga yung battery nito compared dun sa previous laptop natin na Legion 5. So, it can also kung nagbabrowse ka lang ng internet, they say na abot siya ng 8 hours, no? So, you don't have to charge. Again, kung kailangan mo na on the go ka, tapos naubutan ka, you have this very compact lang na AC adapter na type. It won't give you yung power na kailangan mo for gaming, pero again, kung nasa labas ka naman, diba, usually light gaming ka lang siguro, or nagbabrowse ka ng internet, or nagwo-watch ng mga videos. Very useful to kasi compact na. Yung look and feel niya, sobrang ganda talaga niya. Ang ganda lang niya, ang ganda lang niyang hawakan. Very light, compact, ganda ng keyboard. Yung display, tsaka yung audio, doon talaga ako super impressed. Ibang-iba siya pag narinig ko. Of course, hindi ko kayang i-translate yun dito, pero pag na-try nito sa mga ROG stores, ang ganda ng audio niya. Super. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching yung unboxing video natin for Asus Zephyrus G14 2021 model. So, yun lang. Kung meron kayong mga questions about this laptop, comment nyo lang down below. I'll try to answer it as much as I can. And if you like this video, pa-like naman. And then subscribe na lang. Makatulong yun sa channel ko. So, thank you for watching. See you guys next time.